Hello everyone. Today, we are going to start a very exciting lesson. Some of you might want to become YouTubers someday. Today, we will learn what a YouTuber is, what they do, and what you need to learn to become one. First, let's talk a little about what a YouTuber is. Have you heard of YouTubers? Can anyone tell me the name of a YouTuber you know? What do you think a YouTuber does? Exactly. They make videos. YouTubers make videos and upload them to YouTube, aiming for many people to watch them. There are different kinds of videos, such as gameplay throughs, toy reviews, cooking recipes, and DIY tutorials. Today, we will look at various types of content and think about our own video ideas. First, I will introduce various types of content. For example, gameplay throughs show people playing games. Reviews introduce toys, books, games, and more. There are also cooking videos that teach how to make recipes, and DIY videos that explain how to make crafts. Now, let's brainstorm what kind of videos you would like to create. Choose a theme you like and think about what kind of video you can make with that theme. Next, let's plan how to actually turn those ideas into videos. Before making a video, it's important to decide what you're going to do. This is called a script. The script includes what you will say and do. Another important thing is the storyboard. This is a picture or diagram that shows the different scenes in your video. Let's create simple scripts and storyboards. In the next lesson, we will use these scripts and storyboards to actually start filming. Today, we learned what YouTubers do and how to turn our ideas into a plan. Did everyone enjoy today's lesson? For homework, please complete the scripts you started today and bring them to the next class. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Thank you.